Today we're going to talk about a small stretch of road on Sanibel that you might have travelled on, but you may not know the significance of. Lindgren Boulevard. Travel across the beautiful Sanibel Causeway and you can feel all of your cares start to slip away. Look to your left and you can see the Sanibel boat ramp. As you leave the Sanibel Causeway, you will find yourself on Causeway Boulevard. Down to your right hand side, you will see two buildings. The first one is a real estate office. The one just past it is the Sanibel and Captiva Chamber of Commerce. Definitely a good place to stop on your way onto the island. Carry on down Causeway Boulevard to the four-way stop. As the islands have no stoplights, you may be welcomed by a police aide directing traffic. Go straight through the four-way stop and you will find yourself on Lindgren Boulevard. So who is the namesake of this road? Hugo Lindgren. He was born in Sweden in 1902 and moved to Jamestown, New York, where he started a company called Jamestown Metal Products. When Truman was president in 1948, Jamestown Metal Products won the contract to install cabinets in the White House kitchen. Mr. Lindgren went on to purchase property on the remote island of Sanibel, which could only be reached by ferry. He paid for the engineering studies that eventually persuaded Lee County officials to build a causeway. The Sanibel Causeway opened in 1963. Carry on to the end of Lindgren and you are greeted by the majestic Gulf of Mexico. So next time you are lucky enough to cross the causeway, pause for a moment to thank Hugo Lindgren. Thanks for joining me on this journey today. My name is Nick Adams. Come and join me on the next one.